Hey there everyone, and welcome back to the Redline tuning channel. Today I'm here with my man Mlwazi Mkize.
Social distancing.
Social distancing for sure. We are all under Corona lockdown. We are also locked down in a secure environment. We are sanitized and we are ready to start with our mk1 16 valve conversion. I've got the coilies, we've got the engine, we're gonna make it happen.
Enjoy.
Okay, just put it on. Just put it on now. Yo, smart. Right, time to fit the boot spoiler. After much fiddling, we managed to get it in. We found a vice grip. It's the easiest way just to slide these things along. As you can see, all the holes line up. So we're just going to give it a wipe and fit our spoiler.
See? Very rusty.